I go to school in Harrisonburg, Virginia. One night in the summer of 2023, around 1 a.m., I was at home with my roommate in our 3-story house. We were in the kitchen when we heard a faint moaning. At first, we thought it was the neighbors, but it sounded like a baby outside our front door. As we moved closer, the noise turned into heavy banging, like a large animal. Freaked out, we called the non-emergency police number. The dispatcher heard the noise too and said they'd send someone, but no one came. Fed up, my roommate and I grabbed kitchen knives and went downstairs. The scratching and banging continued, but when I looked out the peephole, nothing was there. We went back upstairs, and the noise stopped after about 10 minutes. The next morning, there were no signs of anything outside. To this day, we wonder what it was. Does anyone have any thoughts?